So here we have a Teletype Wheatstone Perforator, and this perforates paper tape to be read on a reader machine to send teletype messages. This particular unit operates on DC, 110 volts DC, and there's a large solenoid under the chassis here, which operates the punching mechanism and pulls the tape through the machine. I've only got a very short length of tape to demonstrate this with. But anyway, to get the 110 volts, I just got the Senko variac feeding a bridge rectifier, giving about just over 100 volts DC. And let's give a quick demonstration. So these little patterns of dots here represent letters on the keyboard. There we go. Nothing very exciting, but quite novel in my workshop.